guys, welcome back to Art by Julie E. I'm Julie E. and today I'm doing a nebula. It's a mixed media nebula. I am using inks and acrylic paint skins and resin with TLP pigments in it, and this is just a 12 by 12 MDF board. And I'm laying down some Kamenskaya canvas primer for alcohol inks. I'll have the link for that in the description. And these are the inks that we're going to be using. My girlfriend, Janice, sent these to me. And this was the first time I was using them. And so you see me there opening them up, seeing if I got to snip a tip or anything like that. And shaking them for whatever. It felt like I was shaking them for days because they're really highly pigmented, but they have a really nice metal ball in them, a big heavy metal ball in them that really, once you shake it loose, it really gets going in there and helps break the pigments that are clumped up in the bottle, helps break them loose and mix them really well. I don't remember the exact order of the colors that I'm laying down, and I should note I made a huge mistake. I do not have gloves on during this. I should be wearing gloves, and I did not. Sorry. So yes, do as I say, not as I do, kind of thing, as my mom would say. Put your gloves on. But once I saw them hit the alcohol, I was like, ooh, I know where we're gonna go with this. These are beautiful, and yeah, it's got this kind of Northern Lights look to them that is just really beautiful. And I have this all sped up for you because there was a few hours of footage, and one piece of footage got lost somehow. You'll notice that later on in the video towards the end with some stencil for stars. I don't know where that footage went. I can't find it on either of my recording devices, so sorry about that. But I'm pretty sure you guys know how to use a stencil with acrylic paints, so I hope you understand. Sometimes footage just gets lost and you can't help it, but yeah, I really love how these inks come out, and you'll see this really cool effect as I rotate my MDF board. It came out so cool. At first I wasn't sure about it. It was kind of looking too much like a brain stem and a brain there, but the more I looked at it, the more nebula-like it looked, and so I just kept going with it, and I really like how it turned out. So yeah, I'll go ahead and put some music on for you guys, and I'll pop back in if I need to try and explain anything else. Before I do that though, please do the Yubi-Tubi thingies, the likies, sharies, subscribies. Also, please go down into the description of this video and check out the links for my buddies on the Thursday train with me. It's Dave's Acrylic-Creations and Just Janice.
Turn
Okay, I'm back. I have to explain this. Look at that. That is liquid gold leaf. I'm going to use that for my stars at first. And it had separated in the bottle and I didn't see because I didn't take the time to look. So yeah, I had to clean that all up, mix it, and then go in. And then I'm just going to use some dotting tools to try and make some stars. But my hands shake at times and my stars were just absolutely hideous. Oh, I guess I'm going to bang out some more gold star field in here to go along with the white star field. I guess the Ranger Distress Spray didn't do it for me. So I'm going in with the liquid gold leaf now too. Oh my goodness. I mean, just adding the kitchen sink to this, huh? It was a labor of love. I have to say, I really do enjoy making these kind of galaxy space looking paintings. I get a real kick out of doing all the different layers and seeing all the depth. Now see, there you go. Now my stars are stenciled in and I have put on my acrylic skin planets, and those were just cutting out circles, and I applied them to the substrate using some gel gloss medium and adhering them to that, and then letting it sit and completely dry before we go in and do this resin. The resin I'm using is Marcy's Mixed Media Girl art resin. I really love her resin for doing these type of art projects, top coats and stuff. For casting resins and stuff, for molds, I will use Luvz resin, but for art projects and top coats and stuff, I really do like the Mixed Media Girl resin. It works up really well. And so there you see, I am putting in my pigments. We've got, the first one was algae, the second was pinwheel, I believe the third was comet, and I think this one is abalone, I think. And then I think lastly we're gonna have brulee for our resin colors. I think that's all I used. Yep, that's it, brulee. So I'm gonna apply a clear top coat first, then we're going to apply our ribbons of color, and then using my hair dryer instead of my heat gun, because I get better control with my hair dryer, my little Berta Mini. I took the little zip tie off of the Cool Shot button so that I could use the heat settings, and I go back and forth between high and low, but mostly I use the low heat setting to push the lines of my colors around on this. And yeah, you should see that coming up here. Now let's put on some more music.
I don't know why you're stressing, but I know that you will find it in time to be alone is depressing. And you're hurting, I can see it in your eyes. I know you will find your way from all this. I know that
here it is, all finished. Now I'm just gonna take it over to the drying rack and put a picnic net over the top of it to keep any little fluffers and dust bunnies out. There it is, all set and cured. I love it. Unfortunately, the camera does not pick up the beauty of this piece the way it should. Oh my goodness, it is so gorgeous, so sparkly. Between the Kamenskaya Pearl alcohol inks and the TLP, the bling in this is absolutely outrageous. I just love it. I think I have a shot coming up of it here in the sun. Yep, pay no attention to my dirty yard. It needs to be oops, I almost dropped it. It needs to be raked and everything. But yeah, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Sorry for the glare. Resin is really hard to film. Look at that. Look at that bling. Oh my gosh, kind of a peacock teal over there in both corners. I hope you like this because I love it. And they really are little labors of love because so much goes into them. And yeah, but you know, it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. Until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.